I should start now. I should start now. Now I'm cleaning the living room. Now I'm cleaning the living room. The floor is very dusty.
The floor is very dusty.
I use the vacuum cleaner. I use the vacuum cleaner. Cleaning under the sofa. Cleaning under the sofa. Wipe the table. Wipe the table. The room is clean now. The room is clean now. I feel slightly better. I feel slightly better. My house is so dirty. I have to clean it today. Let me clean the kitchen first. Let me clean the kitchen first.
The sink is full of dishes. The sink is full of dishes.
Turn on the water. Turn on the water. Wash each dish slowly. Wash each dish slowly. Wash each dish slowly. I use soap to clean. I use soap to clean. The dishes are clean now. The dishes are clean now. Drying the dishes. Drying the dishes. Put it back where it belongs. Put it back where it belongs. The kitchen looks better now. The kitchen looks better now.